Good morning. We're working on the 86 2.5 liter Jeep engine today, and I'm going to bring you guys in as slow as I can, bring you in and show you exactly what I'm doing. Now, I've cheated and I've done all the other valve stem seals. So what we're replacing are these. I won't focus that close. Anyway, this is a valve stem seal, and this engine has a lot of miles on it. Now it looks like it's had a valve job done somewhere in its life, but I get a little puff of smoke when I start it dead cold. The wind's blowing, I'm sorry, and the compressor keeps kicking on, so there's not a whole lot I can do about that. Alright, so I'm going to be working on this one right here. It's the last one left. Now, the hissing you hear is I have a compression gauge hose screwed into the cylinder, and then about 25 pounds of pressure, air pressure, to keep the valve pushed up. Because you drop a valve down in the motor, we don't want to talk about how ugly that is. So, just take the rockers off. I put them in Ziploc bags and I numbered them 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the first thing you always do, and you don't do it very hard, is you put the socket on here and you tap it. That's it. It's as hard as you tap it. It's a 4-pound sledge. Don't use anything, but if you hit it hard enough, sometimes it'll pop out and you'll lose it down the engine or down inside the engine, so don't do that. Just break it loose. The other thing here, I've been bent over this stupid fender all morning, so I'm a little beat. I'm going to try not to get in your way, but let's see if we can. Put my glove on because that star wheel can really chew your hands up. That's a vertical valve spring compressor. Takes a while. It's hard on your wrists. And this is what you got to do, and you got to do it. Okay, so maybe you can see the keeper sticking up there. Get out of the way here. Okay, so what you do is you take a magnet, put it in there. There's one. Sorry if I'm in the shot. There, I got them both. That's the only way you can do it, because you'll lose them. Very carefully lift it off. Now the valve is held up by compressed air. You don't need much. You take your channel locks and gently, not damage anything. The old one. It's not cracked or anything, it's a little hard, but it's doing pretty good. Now, next step is this comes with your valve stem seal kit. Don't lose them, because they're impossible to find. Sorry. This covers the valve and keeps the valve stem seal from getting damaged on those sharp keeper slots. Next thing you do, you got your bag. These are generally high temp orange for the exhaust and the black ones for the intake. So what you do is take some oil, drop that in. You want it completely coated in oil. gently rock it back on, just nice and easy like that, and then drops, slides over, shove it home. Keep this thing for the rest of your life, because if you lose one, they're impossible to buy. Alright, so now some of you are going to whine about this, but I've been doing this for almost 40 years, so the oil I'm using has kind of a pink tint to it. It's two-stroke oil. The reason you use two-stroke oil is because if you use regular motor oil, you start this thing up, it's going to carbonize and it'll coat everything. It'll cut the top of the pistons, the valves, all that bullshit. And that's just not good. You don't need that. Add more carbon to your already carboned up engine. So two-stroke oil is designed to burn clean. So that's why you use it. And that tip was brought to you by me. It was given to me by the late, great Dr. Lee Hancock, who was the biggest Mopar nut I've ever met in my life. And I'll ever hope to it. Okay, so you drop the first one in, and you take your screwdriver of any size and just rotate it around out of the way. So you put the other one in. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Take the other one. These are tapered, so the thick side goes up. Okay. Here we go. Once you get it in, I should have showed you. There's a shim down here. Can you see it moving? There's been a valve job done on this vehicle sometime in the past. Okay, here we go. Now you gently, as this thing grabs your hand up, just let it go back down by unscrewing it. This is just like a bolt. I'm unscrewing it, if you will. Okay, there. They're all done. So the next thing, obviously, is to put the rockers back on and torque it and all that stuff. I've been working on this a while, so I'll do that tomorrow. Anyway, in my experience of decades of doing this, the valve stem seals have, on every engine I've ever done it to, have stopped the puff of smoke at startup when the engine's cold. It just kills it, stops it completely. A lot of people say, oh, it's the rings. No, I've never had it be the rings, at least on all the Mopars I've done. So anyway, I hope to find out that it works the same on this one. This engine has, what, 230,000? Now it looks like it's had a valve job somewhere in its life, so it should do pretty good. But one thing that I've been very unhappy about, let's see, let me show you that one's not carboned up bad at all. That one's got some pretty nasty deposits on it. This one is just about carbon shut. This is one of the reasons you want to do this valve stem seal replacement, because it'll help stop fouling your spark plug so easily. So there's several benefits to it. Alright, well, that's it. It's noisy. I'm beat. I need to go eat breakfast. I don't know if there'll be another part to this or not, because the rest of it's real basic. You just put the rocker arms back on, torque them to spec, and then put a new valve cover gasket on the spark plugs. I'm going to do a compression check on this as soon as I get it back together, because it's at a great stage to do that. Anyway, thanks for putting up with me. See you, bye.